Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Jennifer Marievo, where I teach you different ways that you can make money online working from home. In the past few months, I've released several different tutorials teaching you how to become a work from home freelancer on websites like Upwork or Fiverr. And in order to sell your services on a website like Fiverr or Upwork, you need to have certain skills that you can offer people. And one of these skills is how to remove background noise in audio or video. I can't tell you how many times I'm watching a video online and hear static or fan noises or hum noises in both audio and video, but a lot of people just don't know how to improve their audio quality, and I'm going to teach you how to do that in this video. So learning to remove background noise and static from an audio or video file is a very useful skill to have. You can use this skill to edit your own videos, your personal videos, your home videos, or even professional videos for work. You can edit your own YouTube videos using this skill. You can edit podcasts, lectures, or sermons, or even edit transcription files to make them easier to understand. Or you can sell this skill as a service on freelancing websites like Fiverr or Upwork, charging a flat fee or a certain fixed price to remove all the background noise and improve the audio quality of a client's video or audio file. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step what you need to do. Step 1, we're going to download and install Audacity, which is a free audio editor software. Step 2, we're going to download and install the FFmpeg Import Export library to be able to import video files into Audacity. So this step is important if you want to edit video files, the audio quality of video files. Step 3, we're going to import or open the audio file or video file into Audacity, then remove the background noise and static and clean up and amplify the audio, and then export the new audio file. Steps 2 and 4 in yellow only apply if you want to remove the background noise from a video file. And step 4, we're going to open the video file in a video editor. This could be Filmora, which I like to use, or VSDC, which is a free software. And then separate or split the original audio from the video and delete the original audio, then import the new cleaned up audio file and match it to the video, and then export the video file with the new and improved audio. I know this sounds like a lot of steps, but it's really simple, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to do step by step. Before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one. Not only do I make videos teaching you how to make money online, I also like to teach you the skills that you need in order to succeed online. So let's get started. Okay, so step 1 is that we're going to download Audacity. So you're going to go to audacityteam.org, and then you're going to click on download. And you can choose Windows or Mac. I'm going to choose Windows. Then your download should start automatically. If not, you can use this direct link by clicking, left-clicking here. And then once it downloads, just double-click to install. So then you're just going to go through. You can choose your setup language, choose Next, Next, and just install it into the automatic folder that they're telling you to install it to. And then install. Then click Next and finish. So then when you go ahead and open up Audacity, it will look like this. So if you are only interested in cleaning up the audio of an audio file and not a video file, you can just go ahead and skip to the next part of this tutorial. But if you want the option to clean up audio in video, then you're going to need to proceed to the next step. So right now, to open up an audio file, you can go File Open or File Import. And you can see here I opened up an audio file and it opened without any problem, so I can go ahead and make any edits. But if you want to open up a video file right now and click File Open and open up a video file to edit the audio of a video file, you can see here there's an error importing. It says, without the optional FFmpeg library, Audacity cannot open this file type. So we're going to need to install that and download that library. and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I uninstalled everything on my computer in order to show you how to do this because a lot of tutorials don't show you exactly how to install that library. So now at the top, click Edit, then go to Preferences, and then click on Libraries. And you can see here it says FFmpeg library not found. So we're going to click on the Download button, and that will get us to this page here. Now, because of software patents, Audacity cannot include the FFmpeg software or distribute it from its own website, so you have to install it from the external website. So you're going to click here on FFmpeg installation section under Windows or Mac, depending on which one you want to install it on, your Windows or Mac computer. Then here you have some instructions, and you're going to click under For Full Instructions, see Installing FFmpeg for Windows. And then here they're going to give you a link to the installer page. So you're going to click on Go to the external FFmpeg download page. So click that button. I'm just going to open it in a new tab. And then here, it's very important, you want to download the FFmpeg 2.2 binary for Windows. So that's the one you want to. There's a lot of links here, so just click on the FFmpeg 2.2.2. And that will open up a file that you can see down here, so wait till it downloads. And then click on it or double click on it to install. Go ahead, select your language, and just keep pressing next until you have installed it on your computer. I wouldn't recommend changing any of the settings, just keep going and install it where they are telling you to install it. And now click Finish to exit the setup. Now, very important, you're going to want to, if you have Audacity open, close Audacity and then reopen Audacity, okay? So you have to close it and reopen it. Then if we now go to Edit and Preferences and go back to Libraries, you'll see here that we have the library installed. If for some reason it's not installed there and you can't see those numbers, then you can click Locate and find it on your computer, but it should be automatic if you just left all the settings as default. Okay, so now I'm going to open a video file just to show you that it works. You go File, Open, and you can choose whatever video file that you want to edit the audio, and then you can see it is importing, and now we're ready to edit this audio. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to remove the background noise from an audio file. So again, File, Open, or File, Import Audio. Click on the file that you want to remove the background noise from, double click or press Open. So what we first need to do is find a sample of the background noise that we want to remove. So always start at the beginning or the end to find your first sample. Click and drag your mouse and then release, and that highlights this sample here. So if we press play, you can see all this movement here, this green, and that's showing us that we have this background noise that we need to remove. So keep it highlighted, then go Effect, Noise Reduction, Get Noise Profile. And that is going to tell Audacity that we want to remove this sound from the entire file. So now we need to highlight the entire file. And to do that, you can go Select All or press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Now again, go to Effect, Noise Reduction, OK. And now if we press this sample again at the beginning, it's much lower, okay? We can even do it again if you wanted. Control, Effect, Noise Reduction, Get Noise Profile, Ctrl+A on your keyboard, Effect, Noise Reduction, OK. And now let's press play, and you can see nothing is happening here.
This is a test file to
Okay? So now, sometimes people might export it like that and assume that the background noise has been removed from the entire file. But sometimes, for me, for example, my fan of my laptop will kick on after a while, and I'll remove the background noise and not realize that I had more background noise I needed to remove in the middle of the audio. So make sure to listen to the entire audio file or video file and find out if there's more background noise. Because, for example, if we press play on this,
this is a test file to show you how we can remove background noise from a file, both when there's high levels of background noise.
There's more background noise here that we didn't even realize. So this here, if we press play, this is background noise we want to get rid of, a fan kicked on. So we're going to highlight the new background noise we want to remove, Effect, Noise Reduction, Get Noise Profile. Again, Control+A to select the whole file, Effect, Noise Reduction, OK. And you can see it's just cleaned that up throughout the entire file.
Both when there's high levels of background noise and lower levels.
And you can go ahead and try to remove even more background noise you want.
Both when there's high levels of background.
Okay, and then when you're finished, you can press Control+A again and go Effect and go Amplify, and even choose to amplify this or make it a little bit louder if you want. I like to go -3 dB or -4 and then OK. And then your audio is even louder. And then to export, we go File, Export, and you can choose Export as MP3 or WAV, or export selected audio if you just want to export a section of it. Sample file 2, audio edited, and then press save. OK, and then it will export your file, and now you have a cleaned up audio file. So finally, I'm going to show you how to clean up the audio from a video file. Again, File, Open, or File, Import. Select the video that you want to improve the audio quality of. So let's listen to this.
I'm Jennifer from Sparkle English, and recently I had...
Okay, so at the beginning here, we have all this background noise that we want to remove. Now this one, you can see there's 2 tracks. That's because it's stereo, but it's still the same process. Just click and drag to select the sample. Again, Effect, Noise Reduction, Get Noise Profile, Control-A to select all, Effect, Noise Reduction, OK. And then you can see there it's just cleaned up the audio really nice. We can even amplify the audio. Control-A, Effect, Amplify. Amplify it a little bit. Let's just do this one more time with the noise profile. Effect, Noise Reduction, Get Noise Profile, Control-A. Okay. Check through the whole file to make sure there's no other background noise. This is a short clip, so I know there's not. File, Export, export as MP3 or WAV. Now make sure when you're doing this not to cut any pieces out of this audio, because especially if it's a video where someone's talking, you don't want to remove any audio because you want it still to sync with the mouth. So let's go save. Okay. So now I'm going to show you how to merge the video file and the new improved audio file. We're going to use Filmora. Now I use Filmora for my video editing. You can get Filmora by going to the link in the description below. Filmora is a paid software, which is very affordable, but I will show you how to do this method using VSDC, which is a free video editor, afterwards. So what you'll do is you'll click here. You'll import both your video and audio files. Then first we're going to take the video file and bring it down here onto the track. I'm just going to put match to media. Now let's play the beginning of the file so you can hear the static.
I'm Jennifer from Sparkle English.
And what we're going to do is we need to remove this audio right here. So we're going to right click, and you can either choose mute to mute the original audio or detach audio. I'm going to choose detach audio. So now that has brought our original audio onto a separate audio track. Now within Filmora, you can remove background noise, but I prefer to remove background noise with Audacity and then import it in because I just think it does a better job in Audacity. So then you're going to click on this file here and choose delete. And now we just have the video file by itself. So now what we want to do is add the new improved audio file, which we have imported here. And now all we have to do is drag it down here onto the audio track. You can click here to expand the timeline. Now the most important thing is just make sure it lines up because we want it to be synced perfectly. If we have it over here, it won't be synced up. So just make sure it is at the very beginning so it lines up perfectly, and then let's press play. And we can hear the difference between the original file and the new and improved file.
I'm Jennifer from Sparkle English, and recently I had the opportunity to work with Sarah.
Okay, and now to export this, we'll click Export, Create Video, and then you can just choose the type of video. So I like MP4, and you go ahead and sample video, audio edited, and then export. And then once this is finished exporting, you'll have a file with cleaned up audio. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do this with VSDC, which is a free video editor. I have the free edition here. You can see it's a little bit more complicated. There's lots of options here, but it's still easy to do. So we're just going to choose blank project under Start Project Now. And then here we're going to choose Add Object and go to Video and locate the video. Press OK, and now we have layer 1 and we have our original video here. And now what you want to do is click on layer 1, which is our video, and it has audio that we need to remove. Now to remove the audio is a bit more difficult than with Filmora, but what we'll do is we'll go to Editor, click Audio Effects, under Amplitude, click Silence, then click OK. And basically that's going to put a silence layer over the entire clip. So when we press play, it's completely silenced now. So now we need to add our good audio and sync it to this video. So we're going to go Add Object, Audio, choose your new and improved audio, press OK, and then that might automatically add to the layer. So we're going to drag it so it lines up with our original layer. So you can see here, if we click and drag it on the timeline, it will snap to the bar and it will begin and end at the same time as our file. So we can press play.
I'm Jennifer from Sparkle English, and recently I had...
Okay, and now we'll go Export Project, and you can choose, if you want to export it, I'm going to choose Web, and then to MP4, and then choose Export Project. It says here that we use premium features for our project, but this is fine. It will still export, even though if we don't upgrade to the Pro version, it'll still export without a watermark. So just choose Continue. Okay everybody, that's it for today's tutorial on how to remove background noise from audio and video files. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If you like this tutorial, please click like and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos just like this one. I will be releasing more videos in my Learn Sellable Skills series. Thanks again for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.